is David Jackson, co-owner of Rockin Rooster Comics and Games. We offer a wide variety of comics shopping and gaming experiences. We carry all kinds of supplies. We carry t-shirts, we carry statues, action figures. You name it, we've given it a shot at some time if it's related to comics and gaming. We carry miniature games, collectible card games, just about any kind of gaming that does not involve a video game console. With some of the franchises like X-Men, the X-Men First Class movie came out this year, and it did not do a whole lot for the sales because everybody is already familiar with the X-Men. Everyone knows the characters. Things like the Walking Dead TV show, not everyone was familiar with the Walking Dead. That caused an awful lot of people to come into the shop and start picking up on the story so they could understand the TV show a little bit better.
It isn't the love of a hero, and that's why I fear it won't do. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us as we all fly away.